want to know that Squaw Valley was the host of the 8th Winter Olympics back in 1960? There was no tram in 1960. There was only 4 chairlifts. Pretty much all the events of the Olympics took place right over behind here on KT-22 and Red Dot. The only event that came from the upper bottom down was the men's downhill, won by a band from France by the name of Jean Barnet. If you look over here on the right side of the tram, you see that L-shaped building out there? It's now Olympic Village and timeshare condominiums. During the Olympics, the first and last time, all the athletes were housed in the same facility. There was actually 3 buildings back in 1960. Well, the goal is to have it to be actually road tested in November. The buildings themselves is like red hot chills. And that's what we're doing off the shores and things and all of first stop in Tahoe takes right about
RJ with me. I want to get you there.
You can tell because of your eyes.
It's like one day at work,
I take Billy.
I get up and I go over to the office.
So guys, we're coming out to Tower 1. We are doing a little bit of the swing as we cross over the tower. Bend your knees a little bit. So folks, everything you see out in front of us to the left is all inbound skiing. Which means if there's snow on it, you can ski it, you can ski it. So all these rock shoes you get covered up with a good gear, these little shoes. We're coming up on the halfway point of the ride and get to wave to the folks heading down. So those are just for the service roads for the summer. They're pretty much all covered in the wintertime. The farm road is the long run. That's the way they grew up. So guys, you see all the rocks out here? 1960, Walt Disney was the director of pageantry and opening and closing ceremonies. And they said that he was so impressed with these rocks, you see the similarity to the Thunder Mountain Railroad. That's the big. Another swing here at Tower 2. Somebody try to go for the loop.
That's a joke, right?
Let's see the neighbors listening, that's all.
I'm gonna go for a loop. Yeah.
So we're coming up on the highest point of the tram ride, will be about 550 feet off the ground. So you're over the middle there. Just think you're over Washington Monument. There's real snow. There's snow way up here on the Palisades. We're probably going to get a lot of sun. This year was a very poor year for snow. Probably about 100 to 150 inches.